us. Here's why. Our company, Internet Marketing Services, markets and promotes small to medium-sized plumbing companies. We are experts at promoting plumbing companies in their local area, generally within a 20-mile radius of their main office. We are directly responsible for $53,871 gross revenue in 1 month for a local plumbing client. We know what it takes to market plumbers companies online. I'll make this really simple. You simply must have a website. We understand that to market your plumbing business successfully, you simply must have a website. A website establishes your business credibility. It is your business on the internet. What if you already have a website? Is it secure? Is it easy to use on mobile devices? Is it Google and GDPR compliant? Does it bring you enough leads? Here are 3 reasons why plumbers should have a website. 1. The current generation looks up answers on the internet for everyday challenges. This creates a need for investing in a mobile responsive website and growing your business with it. 2. Plumbing is a very competitive market. Your customers are mostly local people, most likely living within a 20-mile radius of your office. A mobile responsive website makes it easy for customers to find you. 3. Providing good service and building a good reputation takes years of hard work. 92% of customers read online reviews and 94% of them choose businesses with at least a 4-star review. We have a proven track record that can work to your advantage. We are directly responsible for $53,871 gross revenue in 1 month for our local plumbing client, a client that operates with only 3 techs. Plus, our efforts will help you create loyal repeat customers. We would like the opportunity to do the same kind of work for you as well. Plumbers who have a secure, modern, mobile responsive website make more money than plumbers who don't. We are looking for 5 new plumbing clients this fall. We are expanding our business and we want to help you expand yours. We will accept the first 5 business owners that are serious about growing their business. A basic website for only $300. You'd be wise to take advantage of this offer. A basic website could easily cost $1,500 to $2,000. But you have to act now. We offer exclusive rights to only 1 plumbing company in your area. Plumbing is a local business, and we don't work with plumbing companies that would compete against one another. So, we only work with 1 plumbing company within a 20-mile radius of your town. That can be your plumbing company, or it will be someone else. Once we start working with a plumbing company in your town, everyone else will be left out. Don't risk losing your spot in your local market. Here's what you get for only $300. A state-of-the-art website design. A website that is mobile-ready, can be viewed on smartphones and tablets. All the required Google pages, about us, terms of service, privacy and contact page. Fully mobile-ready, SSL certificate, HTTPS security and GDPR compliant. Search engine optimization, to tell Google and the other search engines what you do and where you do it. Remember, we have a proven track record. We made $53,871 in 1 month for a local plumbing client. Can we do the same kind of work for your company? Let us show you what we can do for you. If you don't check out this incredible offer, the plumber across town will. That plumber will get all the leads, sales and profits. You and every other plumber will be left behind. Don't miss out on this limited offer. There's no risk to learn more. The only risk is being left out. Listen to what one of our customers says.
Internet Marketing Services has exceeded my wildest expectations. Rick built my original website, and he and Paul have recently modernized it. It looks fantastic, and it's maximized for smartphone, mobile, search and local search. Bottom line, they make my phone ring with new business customers. If your goal is to get on the first page of Google for local search and increase your business, they do it better than anybody else.
The first step to get your state-of-the-art, secure and mobile-ready website is easy. We'll send you our free 10 steps to grow your plumbing business with internet marketing guide so you can start making more money right away. This guide shows you 10 ways to target your desired audience, drive visitors to your website, increase engagement, so that they convert into leads, calls and sales. That means more cash in your pocket. Just click the button next to this video.